Welcome back to the last video lecture of the course of disaster management. In the last video lecture, we have discussed on the different advantages of e-learning programs. We have seen the challenges in e-learning programs, and we have also seen the different steps like the content design and the content delivery in the case of e-learning programs. In the current video lecture, by the end of this lecture, I hope you will be able to understand the WBI, the World Bank Institute Disaster Risk Management Learning Programs, and I hope in the future you will be able to complete at least one of these online courses. So today's topic will be World Bank Institute Disaster Risk Management Learning Program. Coming to the introduction, as you all know, the World Bank is one of the biggest banks of this world. By name itself, it is the World Bank. So, apart from giving funds to different countries for handling of the different situations in their countries, WBI also has a learning arm called as World Bank Institute. This particular institute aims at developing online courses and reaching out the audience on a large scale. It has different courses, online courses, which anybody can pursue at his own pace. The World Bank Institute has launched its disaster risk management program also in 2004. So, the Institute's comprehensive DRM program. It addresses the increased demand for disaster assistance. So many people across the globe, many countries across the globe, they have been facing disasters. Different types of calamities are happening. Different types of disasters are happening. Many of the people have been experiencing these. They are suffering a lot because of these disasters. So the World Bank Institute, with the help of this DRM program, it addresses the increased demand for disaster assistance. So it calls for a structured, comprehensive disaster risk management capacity building program. The program is designed at a global scale and offered to regions, particular countries, and to partner institutions also. The content and design of the program serves the specific learning needs of different audience groups. I'll show you now what are the different courses which are being offered by the World Bank Institute with respect to the disaster risk management program. Now, I'll show you. You can search for the World Bank Institute, and this is the Open Learning Campus, where it offers different types of programs. See, these are the different types of programs. You can select a topic of your interest here. See, our choice right now is let us suppose we choose this disaster risk management. Under the disaster risk management, you can see different courses are there. Let us suppose if I want to go with the smart cities. Now this is one of the word which you might be listening in the recent past. Smart cities. I'll search for this smart cities. See, these are the different programs. If you can see, Smart Dubai, Smart Korea, Korea Innovation 2020. See, there are different. Let us suppose this is a video lecture. Cities. and the future of the resilience, banking on the cities. See, this is a course which I have been discussing. Smart cities. See, you can find the discussions here. You can go to the site. So this is just a video lecture. So you can find video lectures. You can find separate websites. See. So this is one of the blogs which is being developed by the World Bank Institute in association with the World Bank Institute. If you want to get knowledge on the smart cities, you can get into this one. Or you can go with any of the topics which you find. You can find different areas here. You can go with the finance and jobs. You can confine yourselves to countries or particular location. You can find them. So all these are in partnership of World Bank institutes. So like this, irrespective of the gender, irrespective of the garments or whatever it may be, the World Bank Institute is offering different programs. One of such program is a disaster risk management program. See, the components of the program are mentioned here. The first one is the analytical work in specific areas of disaster risk management, such as gender mainstreaming, how to mainstream the gender, and how to have a very good governance in the disaster risk management. And it also includes the development of new learning products, just like development of new e-learning courses in specific areas of disaster risk management, like the preparedness for a volcano or preparedness in case of a earthquake, etc., or developing building codes. So all these sort of e-learning courses you can develop, and all this will be dealt in your DRM program offered by WBI. And it also offers the knowledge dissemination through online courses, publications, and websites. And it also offers technical assistance to partner organizations to expand their capabilities. And it provides a platform for establishing and implementing south to south and peer-to-peer learning mechanisms. As you can see, these are the different courses. See, there is a comprehensive natural disaster risk management framework, financial strategies. So all these courses, you can see, find the contents here. There are different courses: safe cities, community-based disaster risk management, earthquake risk reduction. You can confine yourselves to a particular disaster. You can confine yourselves to a particular country. So whatever the topic is there. But we are confining ourselves to disaster related courses. So these are the different things which you can go through the World Bank Institute website. See, climate change and disaster risk reduction, reducing disaster risk using land planning. So the WBI basically offers different types of e-learning material. It offers video lectures, it offers presentations, it offers case studies, and there are reading materials, PDFs also, Word documents also. It offers tests, assignments, exercises. It includes all of these things. So the learning program of WBI, as you can see, it includes presentations, case studies, readings, tests, assignments, and exercises. As much as the course materials, the communication and interactions, discussion forum, file sharing, emails. These are all part of the WBI e-learning process. They try to engage the participants in horizontal knowledge exchange and help them in innovating and exploring the innovative instruments. All these courses basically, they will be from 3 to 6 weeks, and instructors will be provided for you if you want to learn, and there will be discussion forums if you want to discuss anything. All the participants, they will be discussing on the forums, just as you have seen in case of NPTEL. You will be given mentors also, and all these programs, they will be having a start date and also an end date. And during this time, participants should meet, see the last point. Accordingly, the courses have a start and end date, and during this time, participants should meet the pre-announced course completion requirements to receive the certificates, just as the case of your NPTEL or MOOC or whatever it may be. You join, you do the courses, you follow the assignments, you complete them in time, and next you will receive a proper certificate that you have completed this particular course. So, like this, the World Bank Institute aims at improving, or it aims at reaching the audience of across the globe, because in one place or the other, every time some calamity is happening. So All the people of this world are experiencing one or other type of calamities, and they need to know about what is disaster risk management. They need to know about the preparedness also. So World Bank Institute is offering all these sort of programs to improve the knowledge on disaster risk management. I hope you also go through one of these courses and try to join them. So the fact is, whenever, if let us suppose, if I start to develop this some sort of e-learning program, so what are the various factors which do affect this e-learning activity? I would like to brief out all these things. See, so based upon this World Bank experience, see, as you can see, there are thousands of courses which have been developed. So based upon the experience, they have got a lot of experience in developing e-content. So they observed that these are the factors which basically they play an important role in making e-learning activities a grand success. See, the first one, it needs a very, see, the first one, it needs high quality content. So the content must be very of high quality, rich quality. And you must be able to adapt, localize and ownership of the program via some collaboration of content developers, adapters, etc. And it must be user friendly and easy to navigate, and the expectations must be very clear. The outcome also must be very clearly stated, and the assessment which you want to use for your assignments, it must be very clearly stated. So the criteria must be very simple, it must be very clear. So, and there must be very good interactive, there must be some sort of interactivity while handling the courses, and there must be some sort of mentors, and you must be very committed for this program. So like this, there are different factors which the WBA has observed in making this e-learning program success. So if you want to develop an e-learning program, go through all this material. You can if you can go through all these factors, then you can surely get a knowledge on where to concentrate in developing a e-learning activity. So that's it. So what all I can conclude is that the WBI Disaster Risk Management Learning Program, it clearly demonstrates the benefits of technology in disaster training and education, and in opportunities to scale the outreach people, and in providing access to cutting edge knowledge. So whatever the knowledge is there, cutting edge knowledge, WBI offers it very freely. So the knowledge is being shared freely. The latest developments are being shared freely all across the globe for learning. And these are the assignments. I hope you will be completing the assignments. See, the first one is what are the advantages of ICT in disaster risk management, and a few examples of ICT tools. Challenges of disaster education, which we have seen in the first video. Central and decentralized model of content delivery, we have seen in the second video. Give brief account of any of the online courses offered by World Bank Institute as part of disaster risk management. You can go through any of these courses. So this is an application type of question. So you need to go to WBI website, you go through one of the courses and pen down here the answer. And finally, what I would like you people to do, with the knowledge which you have gained on the e-learning, suggest us any technology and apply it for the betterment of our country in view of the COVID-19. Thank you all.